Wow, let's go! Right, hier komen we nou in. Gracie, prachtig weggespring. So ook Oosthuizen. Werner Oosthuizen druk sy neus daar in die tweede plek. Kom ons kyk wat maak klein Collins. Jake Collins. Oosthuizen, hy is nie lus om die geel karretjie weer voor hom te sien nie.
Well, remember it's first, second, third over the line, so fourth place means nothing to JT Collins right now. Devon Mayer means everything as he comes past the line. He sees that's 5 laps to go. He knows he's got 5 laps. He's got 10 straights and 10 corners. In that car, exactly where it is right now. He's losing a bit of ground to the two up front. But having said that, it's not all said and done for Peter Lacranci. It's not all said and done whatsoever. The 101 is getting closer and closer. Van and Oosthuizen in the Albertinia being off of food. And the Gossi, the Bungle in Albertinia, they'll be screaming and shouting for them. The back of the leader in the 777, Peter Lacranci Jr.
Oh my word, you know, and what he said right before the start of the race, all of a sudden it's all pear-shaped right here, right now, because Peter Lacranci just not quite making it. Ooh, sideways in behind him. Werner Oosthuizen making Werner Oosthuizen and Meyerke, they have a coming together, the yellow flags around. And what was said before this race? It's not an accident-prone race.
To go, he finds himself on the front row on the outside with Peter Lacranci. Don't know why Peter Lacranci's car would not restart. Is that maybe going to be a problem for him going forward? Let's hope for the next 3 laps that ray of sunshine, as they've named the new car, the yellow car, as the yellow flag comes out.
I got my first real 6-string, boy, at the 5 and dime, ready till my fingers bleed.
Single foul. Lacranci takes it off the line for the LG Towing Racing Team. Devon Mayer in that second, and here comes the 101. And with the inside, Van der Oosthuizen, can he make it one stick? Van der Oosthuizen, yep, he's got to fight back. He's only got 3 laps to get back into the trophies.
Wel, hy gaan hard ry om die derde plek van Oosthuizen weg te vat. Oosthuizen gaan dit definitief nie maklik maak nie, maar kyk vir kyk Devon Mayer. Devon Mayer aan die binnekant. En Lacranci het definitief 'n probleem. Hier is Devon Mayer wat nou los maar is nou het Oosthuizen 'n probleem. En nou sien jy as Collins weer op hy babbel.
What a disappointment for the 101 Van der Oosthuizen. It's all turned to nothing. Just one more lap to go. That's all it would have been, and he would have been in there with the trophies, and unfortunately, no can do. You worried about Devon Mayer. 2 laps to go. And here he comes. He's going to get himself a white flag as they come around for the last lap. All he's got to do is just 2 more straights and 2 more corners, and he's going to be the winner of the 2023 mini section for the Clay Career Championships. I'm sure these parents are praying, they are holding hands, they want to do. This is going to be their son's title, the 2023 Junior in the 25 car. Here he comes across the line, the man's first major title, Devon Mayer. Give it to Devon Mayer, wins this race. Popping with a 777 car, Peter Lacranci just to hit there on Chayton Collins. Chayton does get into the trophies. And don't forget about the last one going through today. Give a nice round of applause to Danae Scott. She gave it her best just inside of the silver ring.
Yeah, spare a thought for Oosthuizen. Oh man, he came through, he was set for second, and Werner Oosthuizen's car packed up just on the third lap.